What's good, guys? It's Asia, and today I'm showing you how I blended my 4C hair with a Kinky Coily Upart wig. So my hair is freshly washed, nice and moisturized and twisted up, and I'm going to be using these twists as my base. This is the Protectivestyleshair Kinky Coily Upart wig in 20 inches that was sent to me a couple months ago, and this is what it looked like when I first received it. It has 3 combs and an adjustable strap in the back, very nicely constructed, and this is it today. 3 months later, still looking bomb and ready to go. So I'm going to leave this one little twist out, and the rest I'm going to divide into 2 sections, and I'm going to pull them into opposite directions and secure them with a bobby pin. This will serve as my base. When you pull tight and then put a bobby pin, it just makes it lay flat, and honestly, it's nice and secure enough for a Upart wig, so we're good to go. So now this is the unit. I have the adjustable straps in the back tied very tightly. That way it can be nice and secure on my head. Now I'm going to be wearing this in a side part. This unit was designed to be worn in a middle part, but I'm going to secure the combs right outside my leave out and then secure the hairline with bobby pins. I'm simply making sure that the wig is lined up on the hairline, so I pull it towards the front and then I make sure that it's bobby pinned securely, so that way it's not moving and sliding around, because we cannot have that. Once I've got the bobby pins in and everything feels secure, I'm going to go ahead and take down my leave-in section. Now I'm going to part that directly in the middle of that little section. Make sure I got a nice clean part, and then I'm going to spread my hair around just to make sure that it's covering up the wefts. Then I took my spray bottle, which is just filled with rose water and regular tap water, and I'm spraying the extensions and my hair just to make sure it's moisturized and it's got some wetness to it. This is what it looks like before the blending process, and I'm going to just section off some of the hair with a clamp. Then I'm taking the pink lemonade mousse from the main choice, and I'm just going to smooth that through the hair. I'm raking it through the hair to make sure that it gets it nice and defined, and I'm also detangling at the same time. And I'm just going to do this all over the Upart unit. Once I get to the front, I'm going to put it on my hair as well. And I'm just going to smooth it through the sections and take my Eco Styler Gold Gel, and I'm going to apply that directly on top of it. Now with this, I start at the roots of my hair and I smooth the gel all the way down to the ends of my hair. You want to make sure that you're doing a lot of smoothing, and then I simply coil. This does not take long to do at all. It's like a 5-minute process, no lie. So I'm making sure to smooth and detangle using my thumb and my pointer finger, and then just coil small sections just to make sure that each curl is popping. Then on the opposite side, I did the same thing. You can also just rake your hands through your hair, kind of like the shingling method, and it will also give your curls some nice little definition. So once I've got everything nice and defined, I took the gel and I just smoothed my edges down, and I also smoothed down my part as well. It's nothing worse than a puffy part. Like, that's not cute, so make sure that you smooth down your part. Then I did some finishing touches on the curls just to make sure that they're nice and defined before I set them. Now I'm going to take a blow dryer and I'm just going to lightly pull on my hair, and I'm using medium heat right here, and I'm just going to stretch out those curls. This way my hair will blend in better with the extensions because it will be similar in length. Once I've got that stretched out, I'm going to proceed to do the same thing on the other side. And then now, as you can see, that's my hair in the front. Now I'm going to cut my bang on the U-part wig just to make sure that everything flows in. And the trick to getting your hair to blend very well is to actually separate the coils and curls on the U-part wig. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm separating the coils on the U-part wig really small just to make sure that everything is seamless. And once I've did that all over the head, this is what it looks like. It looks so natural. I love it. So make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, and I'll catch you loves in my next video. Peace.